In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a shadow copy of all users' emails in Google Workspace. To begin, sign in to your Google Admin Console using a Super Administrator account. This is important because the settings we're working with require the highest level of admin access. If you are signed in with a lower permission account, you may not be able to view or edit the routing options we need. Once you are inside the admin console, go to the main menu and navigate to Apps, then Google Workspace, and then Gmail. This is where Google keeps the core email configuration settings for your organization. Take your time here, because the admin interface can feel a little dense if you are not in it every day. From the Gmail settings page, scroll down until you find Routing. Click into that section, and then look for either Routing or Content Compliance, depending on how your interface is displayed. When you find the correct area, click Configure. This opens the rule setup window where you can define how messages should be handled. Next, enter a clear and descriptive name for the rule, such as Shadow Copy Archive. Giving it a recognizable name makes it much easier to identify later if you ever need to edit, disable, or troubleshoot it. Now move to the section labeled Email Messages to effect here. Check all three boxes: inbound, outbound, and internal sending. Selecting all three ensures that the rule applies to incoming mail, outgoing mail, and messages sent between users inside your organization. In other words, this captures the full range of email activity you want to duplicate. Under the area that says for the types of messages above, do the following. Change the drop-down menu to Modify Message. This tells Google Workspace that instead of blocking, rejecting, or rerouting mail entirely, you want to adjust how the message is handled. Then scroll down to the Also Deliver to subsection and check the Add More Recipients box. After that, click Add, choose Basic, and enter the destination email address where the duplicate copies should be delivered. Make sure this archive mailbox is correct, since every copied message will be sent there. When everything looks right, click Save at the bottom of the screen to apply the rule. Keep in mind that changes in Google Workspace may take up to 24 hours to fully propagate across your domain, so you might not see the effect immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching.